OnePlus Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro are due to launch in China this month, and we're now at the stage where we hear something new about them every day. Today, a promo poster for offline stores has been leaked showing the two devices, with 3 colorways each, though it's pretty hard to make them out exactly. Interestingly, this promo poster seems to imply that both phones will have the same 6,400 mAh battery capacity, which runs contrary to all of the rumors we've heard so far. Even if they couldn't quite agree on the exact capacities, they all said the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro would have different battery capacities. But apparently not. Both devices also get a 120Hz refresh rate for their screen, which hits 4,500 nits of peak brightness, and there is also a Wi-Fi G1 chip that will supposedly accelerate your connection. Both phones use Snapdragon 8 series chips, the poster confirms, and from past rumors we know that the Ace 5 will go with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the Ace 5 Pro will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite instead. Keep in mind that the Ace 5 is expected to be launched internationally as the OnePlus 13 are at the company's upcoming event on January 7th.